Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beignets using a simple shortcut, refrigerated biscuit dough. This method is incredibly easy and yields a warm, fluffy treat perfect for any time. First, let's gather our few essential ingredients. You'll need 1 standard can of biscuit dough, about 2 cups of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of powdered sugar for that classic finish. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the biscuit dough. Open your can of refrigerated biscuits and separate each one. Gently flatten each biscuit just a little bit, then cut each flattened biscuit into 4 equal pieces. This will give you small, bite-sized beignets. From a standard can, you should end up with approximately 40 individual pieces of dough, ready for frying. With your dough prepared, it's time to fry. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few dough pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 1 minute on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them. Once your beignets are fried to a perfect golden hue, transfer them to a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows any excess oil to drain. The most crucial step for classic beignets is to immediately and generously dust them with powdered sugar while they are still warm. Ensure all sides are coated for that iconic sweet finish. Serve your delicious, homemade beignets right away and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.